In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to buy keys in King Legacy. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to buy copper, iron, gold, and platinum keys in King's Legacy. This is going to work for PC and mobile. All that you have to do is go over to the starting island over here and talk to this NPC. So just go forward from where you spawn, turn to the left, and you will be able to find this NPC here. By talking to him, titled Gacha, you will be able to see this dialogue. Do you want to purchase a random legacy fruit? Now, all that you have to do is accept, and as you can see, you will be able to use keys to acquire the legacy fruits. You can use copper keys, iron keys, and gold keys. Whenever you choose any of these, you will see the percentages change. So, you will have, with a copper key, a 60% chance of getting a common one, 30% chance of uncommon, 9% for rare, 1% for epic, and 0.05 for legendary. So all that you have to do is choose the key first. So choose between copper, iron, or gold. And once you have selected the key, you will be able to purchase the amount. You can choose between 1 to 99 keys. And every time that you use this slider, you will see the price update. So all that you have to do now is choose buy. Now, of course, I don't have the gems or the money necessary to buy these, but if you did, you would be able to purchase them and then open the chests here. So all that you have to do afterwards is choose the option to open. You will see the amount of keys that you have displayed at the right side of the screen, and you will be able to get legacy fruits from the Gacha NPC. To my knowledge, this is the only place where you will be able to purchase the keys. You can check through the shop, but I wasn't able to find any key option here. You might be able to get some by entering codes from their Twitter page, but for the most part, if you just want to purchase them easily, talk to this NPC and select the key from here. Afterwards, use the slider and choose buy. I hope I was able to help you on how to buy keys in King Legacy. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.